bridge construction site.
I brought the multi-purpose construction truck.
Nice. Let's start building.
First, we need a drilling rig to bore the bridge piles.
How to build the multi-purpose vehicle. Function 1, drilling and concrete mixing. 1, build the truck body. I'll build the truck chassis first. Then, I'll build the cabin. Attach them together. Add the motor. Add the battery box. Add the gear. Add the wheels. 2, build the concrete mixer. Cement, water. Wow, the concrete's all mixed now. 3, build the drilling rig. I'll make its frame first. Then I'll make the drill bit. Drill head is done. Testing. Let's see how it drills through the sand.
I'll add the concrete mixer to the truck and swap the bucket for a drilling head. Right, let's drill the bridge piles.
Wow. Wow, amazing.
The first pile hole is done. All right, next hole. I'll move to the other side.
Oh, wow.
All the pile holes are drilled. Now I'll place these piles into the holes. The concrete mixer is in position.
Cement. Water.
The mix is ready.
Okay, stop right there. Wow. Wow, all concrete piles have hardened.
Time to bring in the bridge deck.
Function 2, lifting, rolling, and crane lifting. I'll reuse this truck body to build the new one. Build the forklift. My forklift head uses the same frame as drill head. Testing. Build the road roller. Now, let's make the roller head. Testing. Six, build the crane. Testing.
The crane truck is coming. Lower the hook. The bridge deck is secured.
Right there. Buddy, bring it down nice and slow.
The deck is safely in place. Perfect. Now we just need to approach roads.
Approach road in. Approach road out.
Now this roller head will level the concrete for the road lanes. The forklift has brought the streetlights here.
Perfect. Right on time.
And here's the centerpiece statue.
Oh, wow. Everyone, please come take a look. The park is complete.
Function 3, magnetic pickup and digging. 7, build the scrap magnet. Tiny magnets. I'll keep using this truck body and add a head packed with tiny magnets. Testing with metal nails. Wow, it's picking up really well. 8, build the excavator. Now I'll switch to this bucket head. Testing the sand.
Oh!
Huh?
Oh no! I'm too poor!
Ah!
It's time to get to work and earn money!
Oh!
Great! First customer!
Help me clean it, okay? This is a down payment. Don't mess things up. Whoa!
First, clean the wheels!
Whoa!
Too simple! Next is the windshield! Don't forget the hood! Everything is spotless!
Wow, that's great. Here is your tip.
I have this idea! It's time for an upgrade! Let's see what we have here! A suitable challenge for the new machine!
Great! Here's your money.
What do we have here? Oh my god! Look at it!
It's magical! This is your payment! You deserve it! I have to go now. Goodbye!
Oh my god! What am I going to do with this money? Washing cars has never been easier! 1, 2, 3! Oh my god! An airplane! I'm going to make so much money! Let's get started! What the hell is this? It just one trips away! I need a more powerful machine! Maximum strength, ultimate power! Oh no! Things are getting out of control! Everything has fallen apart! Where am I going to get the money to pay for the damages?
How to build a dual flow water pump. First, let's make the drive unit with this motor and drive shaft. Drive unit is done. Let's make the pump chambers. The rotor. Turbine blade. Water in, water out. It will need to chambers. Add to chambers to the drive system. Now, I'll make the water inlet section. And the water outlet section. Battery box. The dual flow water pump is done. Testing. Intake pipes, outlet pipes. The pump is drawing water from this tank and pumping it into the other tank.
I need to take the shrimp to that sushi restaurant. This rocky terrain is too rough.
Shrimp.
Let's go! Oh! I need a sturdier car.
Option 1, pendulum mechanism car. Build the car chassis. The engines. The battery box. Now add the wheels. Build the pendulum mechanism. Lego chain. Connect two parts. Lego chain link. The car uses a chain mechanism for movement. The pendulum mechanism will keep the water tray balanced during movement. Our car is ready. Now let's set up these 3 acupressure mats. This rough surface will challenge the car's balance. The car will start here and finish here. Pendulum mechanism car is ready. The initial amount of water is 200 milliliters. Let's see how much water it carries to the finish line. It moves across the carpet quite well, but the water still sloshes around a lot. Pendulum mechanism car has carried the water past the obstacle. Number 2. Stabilization mechanism car. Build the stabilization mechanism. This dual-frame structure will automatically adjust the balance for the tray. Place the tray inside. The tray stays steady even though the frame tilts. Build the car chassis. The motor. The wheel. Lego curved gear rack. I'll use these curved gear racks to make 4 legs for the car to walk on. Connect to the battery box. Connect 2 parts. Stabilization mechanism car is done. Stabilization mechanism car is ready. Awesome! The car walks on the massage mat super smoothly. Stabilization mechanism car has reached the finish line. So the green water level is higher than the yellow one. The winner is stabilization mechanism car.
This time, I'll definitely deliver this shrimp to the sushi restaurant. Yeah, mission complete.